I wake up early. The sky is gray. Today I go to the library. I want a quiet place. I want a good book. I take my bag. I take my card. I lock the door. I feel calm. The air is cool. I walk to the bus stop. I smile. It is a simple day. I walk on the sidewalk. Cars move past me. Trees shake in a light wind. I hear birds. I see a red bus far away. I check my card in my pocket. I keep it safe. The bus stop sign is ahead. A bench waits there. I stand near it. I breathe slow. I look at the timetable. The bus comes in 5 minutes. I feel okay. I watch the road. I hold my bag close. I step back from the curb. I stand in a safe place. I think about books. I think about a warm chair. Time moves slowly, but I stay patient. The bus stops in front of me. The doors open with a soft sound. I step on carefully. The floor is clean. I tap my card on the reader. A green light blinks. I move forward. I feel steady. I hold a pole as the bus starts to roll. I see a free seat near the window. I sit down. I place my bag on my lap. I look outside. Buildings slide by. People walk with umbrellas. The bus is warm. The seat is soft. I relax my shoulders. I feel safe and ready for the trip. We pass a bakery. I see fresh bread in the window. We pass a park. I see a fountain. We pass a bridge. I see a slow river. I enjoy the view. The city feels alive. I listen to the soft hum of the bus. My eyes follow the lines of the road. The bus stops. Many feet step on. The aisle is full. I hold my bag close. I keep my feet under the seat. I make space for others. The bus starts again. I stay calm. I look at the screen above the driver. My stop is 3 stops away. Traffic slows down. Red lights hold us. I do not worry. I breathe in and out. I look at the map on the wall. I trace the route with a paw. The bus moves again. The road opens. I feel grateful. The trip continues well. The next stop is mine. I press the stop button. A soft bell rings. The bus slows. I stand carefully. I hold the pole. The doors open. Fresh air comes in. I step down to the sidewalk. The library is across the street. I feel happy. I cross at the light. I walk to the big glass doors. I enter the quiet hall. I see rows of books. I choose one about travel. I sit by the window. I open the book. I start to read. My trip is simple and good. I feel proud of my day.